Let's discover how to use ready-designed Canva templates created for video ads on Amazon and social media. It does not matter what video template you downloaded from the website, the set of actions will be the same for everyone. When you download the template from the website, you will get the link on the design. In this window, click the Use Template for New Design button to start customization. Here, you will see the main template elements, a set of videos and photos connected to each other. At the bottom of the page, you'll find an icon that allows you to zoom in on the content. The top part of the icon zooms in on the main video frame when you select it and adjust the slider. The bottom part of the icon zooms in on the bottom track, which contains the media in the template. These settings make it easier to work comfortably with the template. To start customization, click on the first slider. Then, open the Uploads tab and choose your own media to replace the default content. You can also use the Elements tab to find professional Canva videos for any purpose. Simply type keywords into the search bar and select the video that fits your idea. Once you find the desired media, click drag and drop it onto the template. It will be automatically inserted. If you need to showcase a specific moment in the new video, don't worry, we'll highlight this shortly. Drag and drop principle applies throughout the template. Select the next element you want to change. In our case, it's the logo picture. Drag and drop your logo image into Canva, and once it appears in Uploads, drag and drop the new logo onto the default logo spot. Always click the play button to check the results. Let's repeat the same actions with the next slide. For this slide, we need to replace the video and change the text. While video replacement follows the same drag and drop method, text replacement requires one additional step. You can't just click on the text and change it directly. Instead, click on the three dots below the slide, select Lock Page, and then click again to choose Unlock Page. This will unlock the text layer, allowing you to double-click on the text and type or paste the desired text. You also can change the font style and color using the top menu bar. Once you've finished making changes to the slide, we recommend clicking on the three dots again and selecting Lock Page and then Lock Position only. This will protect the slide's position from accidental changes. For the next slide, we have an animated photo, but the process of changing the media and text follows the same steps as the previous slide. To change the text on the slide, you need to unlock the slide first. To make any changes to the text, ensure that you click on the text layer to activate the top menu bar with the text settings. Regularly press the play button to see how your changes look together. After making the necessary changes, lock it again to prevent accidental edits. To save time, we will speed up the process of adjusting this video template while mentioning a few more useful tips along the way. When you replace the default video with your own, you might notice that the video plays from the beginning. But what if you want to showcase the middle part of the video? To do this, click on the video to activate the top menu bar for video settings. Then, click the scissors icon and drag the frame to the moment you want to highlight in your video. It's that simple. In addition to creating engaging video ad designs, we also specialize in crafting high-converting Amazon listing designs. If you want to have a unique Amazon listing, just visit MySpaceStudio.com to get professional Amazon graphic design services. From Amazon listing design to Amazon storefront development, we design so your Amazon product will leave no chance for competitors. For all new clients, a free trial is available. So when using Canva video template, changing the moment of the video you want to showcase in the final result will likely be one of the most common actions when adjusting the template, along with editing the text. The only difference is that for text changes, you always need to unlock the slide to make the changes and lock it again afterward. But let's imagine you want to zoom in your new video to focus on a specific area rather than the whole frame. To do this, double-click the video and drag the borders to make it larger. Remember, you can not only edit the text but also change its position on the video. To do this, unlock the slide as usual. Then click on the text, or hold the Shift key on your keyboard to select multiple text layers together and drag them to the new position. Studies show that videos grab attention 5 times faster than images or text. On Amazon, video ads let you showcase your products in action, highlight features, and address customer questions, making buying decisions easier for shoppers. And the result, a significant increase in conversion rates. But it doesn't stop on Amazon. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube are optimized for video content. Why? Because over 83% of online shoppers prefer watching a video to learn about a product. So such video ads as this video Canva template make it easy to stand out by putting your content directly in search results. We've finished making changes to the last slide in the template. Before watch the final result, let us show one more essential change you can do in template. The animation of transitions between slides can be adjusted to match your preferences. While slides are locked, this change is not available. To do this, make sure to unlock the two slides between which you want to change the transition. Then, hover your mouse between the slides and click on the transition icon. Here, you can select any transition between the slides. As always, make sure to lock the slides again once you're finished. To watch the full video, click on the play button in the top menu bar. This will allow you to view the video in full screen and check if any additional changes are needed. Using the video ads template originally designed for a skincare product, we replaced the content to suit a different brand focused on pet food products. With just one template, you can create an unlimited number of videos for any purpose by using a variety of new media and images. Be sure to give it a try, and you'll be amazed at how easily you can create attractive and engaging content for your business. The new video looks fantastic and is ready for export. To do this, click the share button in the top right corner and select download. In the file type, choose MP4, then click download again. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us through our website.